What are we doing, Laura?
We're gonna pick some pumpkins.
We are going to pick some pumpkin. You are 6 and a bit pumpkins.
Yeah.
That's all of mine. This is bullshit. It is that time of year. The clocks have changed. The days are getting shorter. It's getting colder. And the pumpkins are ripe for picking. So we're about to go grab some. Laura has found her pumpkin. Yes, we have successfully found a couple of big old pumpkins. Now we head home.
Hello. So it is a sunny Friday and I am currently on my lunch break at work. I am just going on a little walk because it's super nice. It's really cold, so I've got my big jacket on and a cozy jumper. Just going for a little walk around the village that I work near to. And then later today we are going to see some fireworks. So I'm excited for that. They're just like the local ones that I usually go to every year. Usually go with like my parents and friends and stuff. And Pete hasn't been before, so yeah, it should be really good. Gonna have some paella for dinner maybe, or fish and chips, I'm not sure, we haven't decided. Yeah, and we will hopefully see an awesome fireworks show. But yeah, it's really, really nice having a little walk along here, so I'll bring you with me. I've been picked up from work by Pete and now we are in the car on our way to go have some paella and then we are going to the fireworks. There's lots of traffic because it's Friday and everyone wants to go home and have a great weekend, and we don't really have any plans this weekend, which we are very much excited for, so we can kind of wake up and do whatever we want. Hopefully the weather will be nice, maybe we can go on some walks or go to National Trust, we can go to the cinema. Hopefully we'll show you some fireworks later.
Are you ready for explosions?
Good morning and welcome to Saturday. We have a nice weekend of not much planned really. No plans. We went to see fireworks yesterday, as you would have seen, and then today we are just getting ready. Pete's just getting ready now, and we are going to be going into Oxford and gonna get tea and cake and just have a little wander around the shops and just have a pretty lazy Saturday. So it's quite nice because we've had a few busy weekends in a row. We haven't really had some like downtime, so this weekend is a super chill one.
Hey Laura, there's something fishy going on. Hold on.
Something fishy going on.
Check out that big bat frog, Miffy frog, the common minke whale.
The minke whale.
I've seen that. Helmet hair Sugden. Hello John. Hello John.